Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Burberry inspired nail tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy. So the nails are already prepped, so we're going to get into it. I'm going to be using the white polish by Model Ones, gel polish black, and then I can't pronounce this brand, y'all, but I got it from Amazon. It will be linked down in the description box below, and also this green. And these are the top and base coats I was using. And these are the brushes. You're going to need a short striping brush, a flat square brush, and then a long striping brush. Also, y'all, if y'all have any good recommendations on top coats, let me know. But, okay, so we're just going to paint the nail green. We're painting all the nails green, except for the ring finger. So we're just going to paint this, do a thin, nice layer, and then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds in the lamp. Okay, y'all, so I painted all of the nails green, and now we're going to paint the ring finger in this beige nude color. Okay, so once you painted all of the nails, you're going to put it in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then you're going to paint the second coat. Okay, y'all, so I did cure it for 60 seconds, but I didn't show that. And now I'm just going to put base coat on the finger that we painted beige so that we can start doing our designs. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to paint side of the nail because I want my lines to come out straight. So, yeah. We're just going to paint side of it and then wipe the excess so that we can have a straight line. Okay, y'all, so we're going to basically do the same thing, but going across so that we can get a line going across. That's straight.
another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing.
Okay, y'all, so I cured this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now we're gonna do the second coat.
I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, y'all, so you're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna do our black lines.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See,
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna do our next set of black lines, which would be going horizontally.
I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that.
Alright, so we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds, and once you cure it, it should look like this. And so now I'm just gonna do our green line. That's gonna go horizontally and then vertical as well.
Take your spot, my love.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for seductive and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself. just know you want you. So confused, want you, want you. Can I tell you something for what?
Okay, so now we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds, and this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna do our vertical line.
More than once, we can have this place on take you there, take you there, won't you feel me?
Okay, so I cured my design, and now we're gonna go in with our top coat, and then we're gonna top coat it and also cure that for 60 seconds.
Till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I need you, I need you. Need to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confused, want you, want you. Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have this place on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on take you there, take.
Alright, y'all, this is what the nails look like once they're cured and out of the lamp. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down anything you want to see next, and I will do it for you guys. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram because we post about all of our sales that we have. Also, we just hit 100 followers, so we will be having a sale, so keep an eye out for that. Bye.